All right, got a fun idea for you. If you've got unsightly electric or internet boxes out on your front yard, we're going to actually hide those with some grass. So over time, it's going to look like this. Check that out. And you want to check local code to make sure this is doable, but this is what we're planting here. Now we're going to buy cheap, and this grass grows pretty fast. We're going to buy it cheap and small, and it actually looks kind of pitiful, right? But we're going to get these in the ground in the fall so that they can take hold. And I don't really care what, because everything's starting to brown up and die as we approach cold weather, right? So I'm planting in the fall before freezing temperatures come. And we're going to want to mark those utilities before, call your state utility marker before you start digging for safety purposes. You don't want to hit a gas line, electric line, or anything like that. So we'll fast forward this for you, and we're going to dig out our hole. And before it comes out, some of the roots, sometimes they grow through the holes on the bottom and connect together. So depending on how long it's been sitting in there. So we'll get that all cut up. Roll the plastic on the ground a little bit. It should pop right out. And then we'll put some of that soil and grass back in. This is a super easy job, everybody. Just a matter of planting it in the correct place for the most part. And make sure you get a grass that does not proliferate and grow outward. You want it can get thicker as it matures, but you don't want it to actually start spreading outward. That's going to require a lot of maintenance. So ask wherever you buy this and do your research what kind of grass this is. We bought two different types of grass here. There's one, and the other is this right here. So it's some pretty durable grass. It can handle a lot of different conditions. This is why we went with this type of grass. And we'll get the second one planted right over here. We could certainly plant one on the other side of that box too, but most of our angle, our view, is coming from this direction. So, and potential home buyers in the future, they're going to be looking at it from this direction. So we just want to plant them here. And you can see how deep we went, about as deep as where the start of the grass begins out of the planted soil. So that might be, 4 inches or so-ish. And then we need our trusty hose because we are going to water everything down. This is going to help compact the soil around it a little bit better. Kind of wash it down and fill those crevices that might be down there. And then as we're doing that, we can take some leftover soil and put it on top as well. That should secure it nicely. And we're going to give it a good drink as well. And we'll water it every day a little bit. Again, this stuff's pretty versatile. Should be able to survive on its own. There we go. Almost done. This one's kind of sad looking, isn't it? All right, we'll let that hold. You can see it's providing some really nice coverage, and over time, this is what we should have. All right, thanks so much for being with me. Hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe.